Deep inside tropical forests, ants live in highly organized colonies. They work together, they protect each other, they survive as one. Each ant has a role. Some gather food, some defend the colony, some care for the young. Everything functions perfectly until the infection begins. Because in this forest, something is waiting. Something microscopic, something deadly. Spores of a fungus drift silently through the air, invisible, patient, waiting for a single moment of contact. When a spore lands on an ant, the attack begins immediately. The fungus attaches itself to the ant's body. Then it breaks through the outer shell. Slowly, it enters the ant's body. From the inside, it begins to grow. At first, nothing seems wrong. The ant continues its normal life, walking, working, surviving. But inside, the fungus is spreading. It is reaching deeper, closer to the brain, closer to control. Days pass. The ant begins to behave strangely. It stops following normal paths. It wanders, confused, disoriented. But this is not random. The fungus is now controlling the ant's nervous system. It is forcing the ant to leave its colony, forcing it to climb higher and higher. The ant has no control. It cannot resist. It climbs vegetation, driven by something else, something inside it, something that will soon kill it. Eventually, the ant reaches the perfect height. Not too high, not too low, exactly where the fungus needs it. Then, the ant does something terrifying. It bites down on a leaf and locks its jaw forever. This is called the death grip. The ant is still alive, but only briefly, because now the fungus enters its final stage. It kills the ant and takes its body completely. Days later, something emerges. From the ant's head, the fungus begins to grow, slowly pushing outward, growing longer, stronger, until it releases new spores into the air. Spores that fall onto the forest floor below. Spores that will infect new victims. The cycle begins again, over and over, without mercy, without end. It controls. The ant never had a chance. If you want to discover more dark and unbelievable truths about nature, subscribe.